Hi everyone, welcome to this training session on the RD Dashcam 07S. This is one of our most advanced dash cams, designed to keep you and your vehicle protected 24/7. What makes it special? Well, it's a three-way camera, which means you get a 4K front video recording, along with 1K recording inside the cabin, and at the rear of the car there is 2K recording. It's sleek, it blends right into your car without distracting you, and it gives you peace of mind whether you're driving, parked, or even on a long road trip. Core features. Let's quickly walk through the highlights. You've got super wide coverage, 170-degree angle view center of gravity in the front, 120-degree angle view there inside the cabin, and 140-degree angle view at the rear. That means almost no blind spots. RD Dashcam comes with 3.39 centimeters IPS display screen. You can see 3 recordings simultaneously. The cabin camera even has night mode, perfect for rideshare or taxi operators. It comes with voice recording, G-sensor protection, and you can even take snapshots while driving. Inner camera is detachable also, in case you are not required it. Plus GPS that logs your route, speed, and location right into the video. In short, it's compact, powerful, and reliable. Storage isn't a problem. It supports up to 512 gigabytes by micro SD cards. Must use only a branded higher speed micro SD card. RD Dashcam 07S is a high bit rate 4K video recorder, which requires high-speed rated Class 10 micro SD cards. And yes, there's built-in Wi-Fi for live streaming and file transfers. Now let's take a closer look at what you'll find in the box. Dash cam, GPS antenna, car charger, and wire. So there won't be any wire cutting. Easy to mount using the windshield mount latch with adhesive red tape. The cabin camera can rotate 360 degrees and has infrared LEDs for night vision. The rear camera rotates 360 degrees so you can adjust it to your vehicle's setup. You'll notice the essential ports right away, the power port, and the MSD slot. There are also a built-in mic and speaker. On the side, you'll find a switch for quick menu selection. Now the smart light indicator keeps you updated at a glance. No light means the device is off. It's a compact, neatly designed package that gives you all this functionality without taking up space on your dashboard. Installation is straightforward, but here are a few tips. Do always mount the cameras on clean, flat glass surfaces. Use the provided adhesive films and make sure the cables are neatly tucked away. Keep wires away from airbags or moving parts. Don't stick the dash cam where it blocks your road view. Don't force or bend the cables too sharply. And don't use random power adapters. Always use the supplied kit. Once your dash cam is installed, it's time to connect it to your phone. Download the RD Pro Cam app from the Play Store, if on Android, or the App Store, if on iOS. Turn the dash cam on. It will then have Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password display on Dashcam. Connect your phone to this Wi-Fi network and then open the app. You will then see a live view from the dash cam. From here, you can change settings, view recordings, or even download videos directly to your phone, and many more. Super simple. Now, how do you watch your recordings? The easiest way is through the app. Just connect to the dash cam and play or download videos. You can also remove the MSD card and plug it into your PC or Mac. The files are neatly saved in folders by date, so it's easy to find what you need. No complicated software needed for basic playback. So that's the RD Dashcam 07S. Sleek, powerful, and always watching out for you. With 4K clarity, 3-way camera, Wi-Fi, GPS, and 24/7 protection, it's more than just a camera. It's your driving partner. Thank you for joining this training, and I hope this helps you confidently present and use the RD Dashcam 07S.